I just received this package from Mr. Nirmal Kumar Da. So I am going to open this now. Very good packaging from outside, hardy, and there is no damage to this outer box. Yeah, I hope so. The inner product will be in good as it is live plant, live carnivorous plant. Only missing thing is I don't know where side is to cut open. There is no sign anywhere. I have checked. There is no sign. So I have to choose one by guessing actually. I am using this thing as opener because it's not very sharp. I am fearful that I can cut the plant or can damage this, so it will be little hectic, but it's okay. I hope this is actually the upwards moment of truth. Okay, very good packaging, no issue till so far. Now I have to remove this. Okay, I have to open this it, or maybe it can damage. I have to cut through this from here to there, so it will open without any pressure to the plant. This is actually a good idea. Okay. Very hardy. It's good actually. It should be hard. Otherwise, it can damage in transit. Okay, the moment of truth. This is the plant inside this. Now I have to open this, and then Nirmalda already guided me on Instagram how to care and what to do next and how to report it, but I will not report this today. I have already, I just it open, I will open it to the environment, open environment to catch a fresh breath. Already it one already tearing, it's one, I don't know what's it's called, I forgot. So it's already damaging without exposure to environment, and once is healthy. Okay, and I have already bought this, and I have filled it with distilled water. So I will not give with any other water, as I can't taste that tap water ppm or any mineral it has any mineral into it or not. So this will be very economical for me to buy distilled water and put this into this and spray this plant with this. With normal water the plant will die normally. This is best water for this type of carnivorous plant, the distilled water. This is very rare and highly priced plant, so I can't take any experimental thing on it, so I have to be very patient with it. So I have taken my time with pausing this video and open the package very gradually. Okay, so the plant is in good condition. uh, there are green plant. Okay, now I have opened the upper part. Now I have to open this container. Okay, let's do it. This has nice picture in it. Oh, beautiful plant, very beautiful plant. Just remember it has just crossed very large distance, and he says bear the transit stress. So I have to keep it after this opening, and I will just spray this into the tree, and it's the whole plant. No, will not gonna overdo it. I have pot which is I have not ready it, but I have self-watering pot. I will not face any difficult. I have peat moss and perlite, so I don't think I will have any problem with this. Just hope, but still, this is a live thing. So I can't know what to be expect next. So just hopeful that it will grow in my. Actually I will post that later. Now just take care of it. It's actually very late, it's midnoon. Okay, I have other work. Oh, I'm trying to do it very slowly, but can't control all of it this. Okay, now this packing. Okay, packing is very good. Packing is very good. I have paid 200 rupees for delivery, but I have it worth it. No issue, no issue. For this now I have to just come out, you little baby, come out. Okay, come out. Okay, so we have done all the process. Now I have to deal with the last, not last, I have to spray water, distilled water into above it, into this. Now I have to open this. Okay, slowly, very slowly, very slowly, very slowly, very slowly. Okay, what is this? I have no idea what is this. This is something wool. Okay. Acha, as a shock reservoir. Okay, this is very good actually. Wool can act as shock absorber. This is good. This is good idea. Intelligent idea. South people have very intelligent. South people are very intelligent. As a Bengali, I appreciate them. Value of intelligent people. Okay, okay, done. Okay, okay, okay. Bus. Very happy. So I don't know. Actually, I should keep this or I keep this is at it is. Okay, don't worry. I will ask Nirmalda in message on Instagram what to do. I keep this or it's just for shock absorber or it is to retain the moisture into the pot. I don't know, so I will not throw away this just now. I will keep it here. I will keep it here. I don't know. I will ask Nirmalda later. And okay, my mom will be very angry. I have already very I, okay, now I am pausing and in pausing not pausing I ending this video is already done unpackaging, so I have to just I will put there I will put there not a sunny, so sunny side there is a sky cloudy, so I have to put there with some spray in it, and later I will take guide from Nirmalda. He's very helpful, and he replies every time. You ask anything about plants, and he will reply, and he will reply in easy terms and layman terms. That will be not any issue. So, bye, goodbye, and also I have contacted I have contacted Nirmalda through Instagram. Uh, Kerala, Kerala actually Kerala, Nandanam. Okay, Nandanam. The place name Nandanam. Okay, Nandanam. Chalakka. I don't know meaning of JN. Okay, post office Kerala. Okay, their phone number here of Nirmalda. So no issue. Okay, bye.